If you know you don't know how to make a perfect cupped corset, watch this video till end. So this is the pattern I'll be using for the cup. If you don't know how to draft the cup, you can check my previous video. I have the tutorial there. So for my cup, I will be covering the main fabric with a skein mesh because I want the cup and the body to have the same shade to rhyme together. You can leave yours, is totally optional, so you can leave yours if you want to, but for me I'll be covering mine. So after covering it, I'll be joining the cups together. I have already numbered where I want to join together. Like I said earlier, if you don't know how to draft this, you can check my previous post to see how to draft a proper cupped corset. Inside my fabric, I have a crinoline mesh placed before adding my hairstay. I did that because I want the cup to stand on its own so that it will not stress me, it will not flatten the cup if I'm caging the cup. It's optional, it's totally optional. If you know you can do it perfectly without adding the crinoline mesh, you can just do your thing, but I add to mine so that it will be very, very easy for me to cage it. After watching this video and you still cannot do this on your own, then you need to come for upgrade. You can register for our January batch. This video is well detailed. If you can easily grab it, is well detailed. So this is what I have after joining the cups together. Then you can proceed to caging it. You can see that it is standing even without the cage. So after caging it, I added some hairstay to mold the cup very well, then turn it with the main fabric. I'm sure if you are a fast learner, this video is enough for you to grab and to practice on your own. It is enough if you are a fast learner. And if you know you are not that fast in learning, like you need to practice like 2-3 times, they need to teach you like 2-3 times before you can grab, then you need to come physically to do this. So this is what I have after turning it. And after turning it, I have to hold the edge with a needle and thread. I have to hold the edge of the cup all around so that it will be easy for me to fix on my corset. So I have to hold it all around as seen in the video, like just to aiming the tip all around so that it will be very easy for me to fix on the corset. There are different methods to corset. Just stick to whatever method that works for you. Aiming the tip of the cup makes it more easier for me to fix the cup on the main body. If you know you can do it without aiming the tip, you can proceed. But to me, it is very, very easier. Like it is very, very easy for me to fix the cup. This method works for me perfectly. Very, very easy for me. No stress at all. Very easy to fix on the main body. So this is what I have after aiming the tip of the cup. This is what the cup is looking like. You can see how deep and how neat it is. If you want me to post the video of how to fix it on the main body, you can drop a comment. Thank you.